Avian Influenza, AI, is one of the most devastating viruses worldwide. It spreads extremely fast and has a high mortality rate. As a result, infected farms are ultimately forced to respond through mass culling. Yet, there is still no definitive vaccine available. Birds from the Americas, Europe, and Asia intersect in regions like Siberia. During this process, viruses from different continents mix and evolve. And birds, they fly. This makes it virtually impossible to completely block transmission. Recently, cases have even been reported in mammals and even in humans. Experts warn that the next pandemic could be avian influenza. Globally, thousands of disinfectant products are used to control avian influenza. However, most of them are chemical-based. As a result, they cannot be sprayed directly on chickens or ducks. There is a risk of residue if ingested through feed. Chemical substances may even be detected in eggs. Ultimately, they cannot be used frequently, limiting their real-world effectiveness in biosecurity. Wetlands and rivers where migratory birds gather are part of the natural ecosystem. If chemical disinfectants are sprayed in these areas, it leads to environmental pollution. In reality, effective disinfection in such environments is nearly impossible. But here is a new solution. SOONSAK Solution is a natural biosecurity solution based on substances extracted from palm. Non-irritating, no residue when ingested, safely digested within the body. This means it can be applied directly during breeding and used frequently without concern. SOONSAK is not just a surface disinfectant. Traditional chemical disinfectants only treat surfaces. SOONSAK, however, can reach beyond the surface, including porous materials like concrete, inactivating viruses even in less accessible areas. In other words, it is a biosecurity solution that doesn't just protect farms, it helps save them. Highly pathogenic avian influenza has been verified by Chungbuk National University with a 99.99% inactivation rate, and low pathogenic avian influenza has been verified by Chunnan National University with a 99.9% inactivation rate. Low skin irritation, no respiratory toxicity, no cytotoxicity, no heavy metals. Joint research with the Korea Research Institute of Chemical Technology. Patents secured in Korea, the United States, and Japan, 5 total. Additional patents in progress across Europe, China, Thailand, and more. Public Procurement Service of Korea, officially registered as an innovative product, now being supplied to public institutions. Avian influenza, a virus that flies. Can it really be stopped? Now it can. A technology developed in collaboration with the Korea Research Institute of Chemical Technology. A novel approach to biosecurity. The beginning of a new standard in K biosecurity. SOONSAK Solution.